is a bodysuit, and you know, a bodysuit does more than just replace the top or a panties. It slims the figure too, especially if it has a high cut design. And it's perfect for try it with a pair of low-rise jeans. And I show you that today. Ready? So let's go for the outfit of the day. Happy Friday! How are you? Good? Yes, I'm very good. Force yourself. Good news! Ready for the outfit of the day? So, the first, pajamas, oversized t-shirt. Yes, let's go for the outfit of the day. So, for begin, oh, don't move, it's better. Here, a black bodysuit in lace, a low-rise jean here, with a white hoodie, 4 shoes, white tees, of course, and a white belt, and some jewel, black jewel for accessory. So, look at this. Did you like it? Yes? Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment just here, and subscribe. See you later for next.